Ouch.
I know they did not just break my shades.
Please, have mercy on us.
Okay, we found them. Let's go.
Damn, retarded bird! Now, start apologizing.
But I don't speak Spanish.
Dang, girl, you got that cake. Ah! I think I'm falling in love with you. Can I get your number?
Be quiet.
Oh shit, it's the cops. Yeah.
Where do you think you're going, bitch?
Oh, no. Ah!
Anything you say can be used against you in court.
He got some nice.
You have the right to remain silent.
So,
If you can't afford a lawyer,
said
you'll
no.
only be appointed to.
Hey, me and Yuma did
You
nothing
may stop
wrong.
answering my questions
It's
at
these
any
two that
time
started
if you
first.
don't have a lawyer present with you.
Hey!
how about now?
No.
No, Jesus, stop asking her.
Yo, you know what happened to our homies? Imagine getting caught by the cops.
Dang, that's crazy. Move out the way, fool.
What's the password?
The fuck? Let us in before I punch you in the back of your skull.
Password accepted.
Man, you need to start paying the light bill.
They don't call it the dark room for nothing.
Your baby daddy, the cops. Arrest our boys and also arrest the cat guy that hates you too.
Excellent news. This is what you get for what you done to me all those years ago.